Y'all, today is a fantastic day aboard the Mardi Gras. Dance competitions, line dancing, met with some other creators, exchanged info. Like today has just been an awesome, fun day at sea. Getting ready to go do the group photo, which we have in about 10 more minutes. But I got kind of a late start this morning, but the Mardi Gras is where it's at. No other ship that I've been on has been like the Mardi Gras. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We got a lot more stuff in plan. I mean, this ship is just awesome. It's definitely a party ship. What is up, you guys? Welcome to day 2 of Phil and Dee's travel spree aboard the Carnival Mardi Gras. So you see what I got on today. I got the Melanin at Sea shirt. So today is the first official fun day at sea. And so we got a few things lined up for you. I know they got some trivia going on. They got another lido deck party. I know we're supposed to take a group picture somewhere around 2 o'clock today, but it's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of stuff to get into today. Also, I did get an early start this morning. I did go to breakfast. Wasn't that really impressed with what was on the menu. They had very limited options. They had pancakes, egg benedict, scrambled eggs, bacon, and sausage. So wasn't really impressed with that whole lineup. I didn't even see fruit anywhere. But I did make it over to Shaq's Big Chicken, and they actually serve breakfast for those of y'all that didn't know. I actually got, I guess you can call it like a honey butter chicken biscuit. If you want something compared to, we can compare it to like a Chick-fil-A or something like that. It wasn't as good as Chick-fil-A, but the chicken was definitely more seasoned. You could taste that black pepper all through the meat. We're gonna get this day started. Come along for the journey. I'm sure it's gonna be a great one. Peace. completely took over the lido. From the dancing, and we had some Greek members and sororities, they were strolling. Then we took up 3 balconies just to get a massive group pic. Everybody was asking, y'all family reunion, where are y'all from? No, we're a Facebook group, baby. Facebook group. If you're not a part of the Melanin at Sea movement, you better get a part of it, because this just set the tone. When everybody see the pictures and the lives and the Instagram, everybody's gonna want to join. This was one to remember. Melanin at Sea trifecta. If you're watching this, this is how you do it. And we set the tone. We definitely drew the attention of everybody on the show. Everybody's wearing these shirts. We're about at least minimum 200 deep. Minimum 200 deep. People were asking, I'm telling you, they want to be a part of the movement. And hey, if you're interested in being a part of the movement, just join the Facebook group Melanin at Sea. Okay, get you one of these shirts from Rich and Jazzy, and you're good as gold. I'm telling you, we shut the lido down. But I don't know if y'all can tell, it's hot. See, I'm sweating. See, I'm kind of glistening a little bit. But I came to cool down a little bit. I might go get in the pool a little bit, you know, just to relax. But had a nice little afternoon, you know, a little afternoon swim in the jacuzzi, relaxed a little bit, got lunch, met a few nice people actually. And I'm telling y'all, the way we shut that lido deck down, people will see you in these shirts and they just stop and ask you, hey, where are y'all from? Are y'all family? Or how can we join? How can we sign up? Like Melanin at Sea, the buzz is out now. And so right now I'm actually headed back to the room to shower up a little bit, because we do actually have a little competition tonight. It's Mr. and Miss Melanin at Sea. It is formal night, so you know your boy got to get fresh. And y'all just wait and see what I got in store for tonight. I'm trying to come home with the crown, Mr. Melanin at Sea, for the first inaugural selling. See ya. Come on now, look at it, the full body. Come on. Come on. I'm killing the game, baby. I'm killing it. Yes, it is formal night. Elegant night, whatever y'all want to call it. But a brother kind of feeling himself, man. I think I done outdone myself with this one. Hey, but D, I know you watching, don't worry. I got it on. I got it on. Don't worry, I ain't going nowhere, baby. I got it on. But your man look good. Melanin at Sea competition. And I ain't gonna lie, it was some pretty good looking brothers and sisters over there, man. Everybody was pretty sharp. Everybody had these suits, so I got some competition, but I found this little guy, another duck. I'm 2 for 2 on these last 2 cruises, but hopefully he give me some good luck. I don't know. It was, like I said, the brothers was sharp, so that's why I'm going against the other brothers out there, but we gonna see. So I'm headed back to I'm at their cabin now, and we're gonna see if Big John is ready so we can get ready to head to dinner. All right, so John wasn't quite ready, but I've been ready since 5:45, and it's formal night on a 7-day cruise, so you already know what that means. It's lobster night, so I know I'm gonna get up at least 4. Do you guys order like more than 1 lobster? Y'all try to be cute, or y'all just go for it? But I know I'm gonna get 4, so.
Touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, ba, ba, ba. Good times never seem so good. So good, so good. I've been inclined.
Alright, what's up guys? So I think lobster night was a success. I would say it was a success. I think I made my goal. I think I said what I told you about 4 lobsters. I think I met my goal. Lobster was good, no complaints at all. Got the chocolate melting cake again. That's always good. That's my favorite if you ain't figured out by now. But we are actually in the theater right now. There's a show getting ready to start called M Theory. Supposed to be about like if magic existed in like another dimension or something like that. So the way they got the music going, it seemed real magical. So it looked good when I read the description. So hopefully it is good. But y'all guys stay tuned. So like this is like the screen they're playing as we're waiting. Look, they got the blue lights and I don't know, it looked real fancy like. So we're gonna see what it's about. They hyping it up pretty good. Quick question. If you've sailed shorter sailings like 3 to 5 days, and then also if you've sailed 7-day sailings, do you think the 7-day sailings, well, the shows on the 7-day sailings, do you think they're better than the ones on the 3, 4, or 5-day sailings? Because to me, I kind of think the shows are a little bit better. But let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I just think the entertainment overall on 7-day sailings or greater or a lot better. So that's just my opinion. But let me know in the comment section.
Welcome to the stage, your magician, Josh Stevendale.
A very good evening to you all and welcome. Tonight, this box is going to remain in full view for the entire duration of the show. But what's inside that box? Well, that remains a mystery, but it is something that will prove to be very, very interesting. Now, you may notice we have a cameraman. He's going to be roaming the stage and the theatre. This is to give you all an up-close, personal view of the magic. But tonight, you're not just going to be watching the magic, no. Tonight, you're going to be experiencing the magic. Mardi Gras family, my name is Josh, and it's my pleasure to welcome each and every one of you to Carnival's brand new magic show, M Theory. And I want to know, are you guys ready for a fantastic night? Let's do this. Take the next card. Let me count the 3, toss it in the air. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Take your other hand, slap it down. Flip your hands over. Now, hopefully, if you've been following along, the magic would have happened in your hands. And the last card, the only card in your hands, is your lucky card. And if it is, I want you to stand up and hold that card proudly. If it is, I want you to show the camera. Go! It's the 4 spades, ladies and gentlemen. I got my ace of spades. Hold it and hold it proudly. Give yourselves a massive round of applause. That there is the card trick that's going down the side. And it's up to you. You can keep the card or you can toss it in the air. The choice is in your hands. Stars are playing the ways.
What's up, y'all? It has actually been a while. It is 4:32 in the morning. Look, 4:32 in the morning. I started off just going to the nightclub, and the nightclub probably shut down around like 2:30, right? And so, you know, there's a group of us in the Melanin mixer and the Melanin group. We all decided, you know, we just started hanging out, talking smack, you know, just really started bonding, you know, and I actually met somebody that worked at my same school district. I met some people from Atlanta, you know, we just met a couple different people from all walks of life. And we actually had we just hung out, ate pizza. We actually invited the DJ to hang with us. And we just bonded, we just meshed. But I'm at the room now, but I'm getting ready to wrap up. But this day actually ended a lot better than I expected. I actually missed the glow party. I was upset about that. I know y'all probably wanted to see it, but honestly, I heard you didn't miss anything. If you've seen one glow party, you've seen them all. But like this night has been fantastic. Day 2 has been great. We partied, we danced, we hung out, we drank, ate. It was just, the whole day was just great. I'm gonna call it a wrap tonight. I have to get up. I actually have an excursion at 9, so I probably need to be off the ship probably around 8:30. So I'm gonna go in and literally probably get a nap. And I will see y'all in the morning on day 3. Peace.